Every thriving business relies on precise sales tracking as its foundation. This practice not only guarantees accurate financial documentation, but also equips you to efficiently manage inventory, optimize operations, and lay the groundwork for sustainable expansion. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating and processing your sales orders in Qoblex. To start, go to the Sales module and click the Create button in the top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to another interface, the Sale Order Creation stage. Here, you will need to provide the necessary information about your order, such as customer, ship from location, price list, currency, etc. Once you fill out the necessary information, you can proceed to add the line items in the order. You have two options to add your line items to your order. Option 1 is to import your line items via CSV. This is useful for businesses that process wholesale orders and need to add large numbers of line items. To do this, click Import Line Items from CSV. A dialog box will pop up where you can download our CSV template. Fill it with your line item information and upload the file back to the system. We highly recommend using Google Sheets to manage your CSV file for a smoother upload process. Option 2 is to add line items manually. To do this, click Add Line Item, and a dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, search for the line items you want to include in your order by checking the tick box next to them. Once you have selected the desired line items, click Add Selected to add them to your order. Now that you have added your line items manually, you can define the corresponding quantities, establish the discounts, and set their prices and taxes. At the bottom of the line items section, you can add your additional or landed costs, which can include shipping, freight, duties, etc. To do this, click Add Shipping and Freight, then define the additional cost, the quantity, and the price. After adding all the line items, we can move forward by clicking Create Order. This will take you to the allocation page of your order where you can control the allocations. You can choose to allocate or reserve the stocks of the line items for the order, deallocate or remove the stock of the line items from the order. Lastly, put the stock allocations on hold or temporarily remove them from being assigned to the order. If you are satisfied with the allocation, you can click the back button to go back to the order view. Now let's proceed with creating an invoice for the order. To invoice the order, first select the line items you want to invoice. Then click Invoice at the top right corner of the order view. A draft invoice will be created where you can make changes. You can add invoice number and select the Create At and Due On dates. In Qoblex, you can create a shipment for the orders that you just invoiced by clicking Ship in the top right corner of your screen. Once finalized, click Authorize. Also, you can click Add Payment once the order is paid. We also have a feature that allows you to print your invoices and email them to the customer. You can do this by clicking the print and email icons respectively. Please be reminded that creating invoices for your orders is a two-step process that involves editing the price and quantity while the invoice is still in draft. Once the invoice is authorized, no future changes can be made. Moving forward, to create the shipment for your order, select the line items you want to ship. Then click Ship at the top right corner of the order view. Once you click this, it will create a draft shipment where you can make changes. You can add shipment details such as ship from location, shipping service, etc. And depending on the shipment status, click Pick, Pack, or Dispatch. Also, you have the ability to print the pick list or packing slip by clicking the Print and Email button. You also have the option to create an invoice based on the shipment you just created by clicking Invoice. It's also important to note that creating shipments for your orders is a two-step process that involves editing the shipment while it is still in draft. Once the shipment is dispatched, no further changes can be made. Assuming that the order is closed and the customer asks to process a return, you can do so by selecting the line items you want to return. Then click Return at the top right corner of the order view. A draft return will be created where you can enter the return details. You have the option to restock the line items in the order and control their quantities and prices. If there is a shipping adjustment, you just need to click this button. Once finalized, click Authorize. Like invoices and shipments, creating a return is a two-step process that involves editing the return while it is still in draft. Once the return is authorized, no further changes can be made. There are also other informative sections in the sale order view that provide additional details about your order. In the related orders on the side panel of your order view, you can link relevant orders that you created. The attachments are where you can upload any files that are relevant to your order. Tags, where you can add tags to the order for grouping and organization purposes. The activity section, which provides you with all the actions that have been made to the order. Lastly, the notes section at the bottom of the order view that allows you to add notes to customers or other users. By following the steps, from creating the order to managing invoices, shipments, and returns, you are setting the stage for a well-organized and successful sales process. And with these features and practices in place, you're ready to take your business to new heights. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.